Hey there, fellow survivors. Welcome to the Last Living Prepper channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, building an emergency kit. FEMA has a comprehensive guide, and I'm here to break it down for you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Remember, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Let's get started. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Picture this: disaster strikes, and you're left to fend for yourself. What's the first thing you reach for? Your emergency kit, of course. First up, water. FEMA recommends at least 1 gallon per person per day. Unopened, commercially bottled water is the safest and most reliable source of water in an emergency. For storing water, use food-grade water storage containers if you're filling containers with water. These containers won't transfer toxic substances into the water. Next, we've got food. Think non-perishable items like canned goods such as canned beans and legumes and canned meat. You can also include dry whole grains, dried fruits and nuts, cereal, oatmeal, and energy bars. A first aid kit is non-negotiable. Bandages, antiseptic liquid and wipes, pain relievers, the works. Stock up on items like antibiotics, reusable gel packs, non-drowsy antihistamine, activated charcoal, laxatives. No basic wound care, CPR, and first aid procedures. Light and communication are vital. A flashlight such as LED flashlights are compact, energy efficient, and provide bright light. Make sure to keep fresh batteries or rechargeable ones if available. You can also use high-quality headlamp or hand crank lights. For communication, a NOAA weather radio is essential. It is an automated 24-hour network of VHF FM weather radio stations in the United States that broadcast weather information directly from a nearby National Weather Service office. A whistle can be a lifesaver if you need to signal for help. A standard white plastic whistle is one of the most common types of whistles people carry around. They are inexpensive and very easy to use. There are several types of emergency whistles that can help you survive or be saved by someone else. Most emergency whistles fall within the 90–120 decibel range, comparable to the sound of a chainsaw or rock concert. Don't forget a wrench or pliers for turning off utilities. You can also include a multi-tool in your emergency kit. The smallest multi-tools are credit card or key-sized units designed for carrying in a wallet or on a key ring, but others are designed to be carried in a trouser pocket or belt-mounted pouch. They offer a wide range of functions, including knife, saw, and bottle opener, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, and more. Sanitation and hygiene are crucial. Moist towelettes, garbage bags, and plastic ties are essential. A privacy shelter or tarp can also be added to maintain modesty and privacy. Without water, you will also need to have alternative ways to clean and sanitize your hands. Waterless antiseptic gels are a good option. It's also good to have a toothbrush, dental floss, and antibacterial hand soap. A blanket or sleeping bag can make all the difference in a cold environment. Look for blankets made from durable and heat-reflective materials, such as mylar or aluminized polyester. These materials are lightweight, compact, and provide excellent thermal insulation for emergency situations or outdoor activities. Wool blankets can also work as effective emergency blankets. As for the sleeping bags, there are many types. The most universal would be lightweight sleeping bag designed for cold weather. Don't forget a manual can opener for those canned goods. A handheld can opener is about the most ordinary piece of equipment you can have in a survival kit, but it is very important. When choosing a can opener for your emergency kit, look for value, durability, quality, comfort, and versatility. When you get the right blend of these, you can find an unmatched can opener that will help you stay fed as you sort through your canned food storage. Personal documents are very important. Keep copies of your ID, birth certificates, insurance policies, and other papers in a waterproof bag. Additionally, consider scanning your documents and saving them in electronic format. Finally, a local map for navigation and finding your way to safety. You can easily find them online and print according to your needs. Next, you need to protect the map by using Ziplocs, waterproof bags, or just by laminating it. Besides quickly downloading and printing maps, many state or county tourism offices offer free folding maps. If you live in an urban or suburban area, you may also want a street map. Now, every emergency kit needs a personal touch. In this part, we are going to list additional emergency supplies for you and your loved ones. Medications are critical if you or a loved one relies on them. Stack up medical supplies if you suffer from chronic conditions such as high blood pressure, heart conditions, diabetes. They may not be available after a collapse. Customize your kit based on your family's specific needs. Consider adding prescription medications, allergy medications, asthma inhalers if applicable, glucose monitoring supplies for diabetes, and specialized pediatric supplies if you have young children. Pack extra supplies for infants and children, like diapers and formula. Don't forget about your pets. Pack food, water, a leash, and any medications they need. Prepare items that can help alleviate stress, like a deck of cards or a favorite book. If you have fun games or activities that your children can do when the power is out, this can help them cope with the stress. Include appropriate food and snacks if you have dietary restrictions or allergies. Extra batteries are essential for powering your flashlight and radio. Cash is king in an emergency. ATMs and card readers may not be functional. Keep a certain amount of cash at home specifically for emergencies. This is not your regular emergency fund, but cash on hand for extreme situations. One suggestion is to store 1 month's salary at home. This amount can cover various expenses if global banking systems become unavailable. Alternatively, having at least $1,000 in cash at home provides immediate access to funds during national emergencies. Choose a suitable home safe to protect your cash. Ensure fire and water protection for the safe. Divide your cash into various denominations for flexibility. Duct tape is the ultimate survival tool, useful for countless applications. It can be used to seal homes from hazardous materials, close up wounds, even gunshot wounds, fix broken windows, protect pipes from freezing, repair shoes, make a splint or sling, repair leaking water container, patch holes, create rope, prepare shelter, seal clothes against hazards, reseal food packages, hang lights, and many more. Feminine hygiene products are crucial for women of all ages. If you wear glasses or contact lenses, pack an extra pair and a bottle of solution. Consider packing a small solar charger for your electronic devices. Building your emergency kit is a great first step, but it's not a one-time task. Check expiration dates on your food and water regularly and replace any expired items. Medications can lose their potency over time, so check those expiration dates too. Rotate your supplies periodically to ensure freshness. Your kit needs to be easily accessible during an emergency. Store it in a cool, dry place to protect it from extreme temperatures and moisture. Having a kit in your car is a smart move. It's also a good idea to have a smaller, portable kit for quick evacuations. Keep a list of important contact information inside your kit. Make sure everyone in your household knows where the emergency kit is stored and what it contains. Periodically, review the contents of your kit with your family. Practice your emergency plan with your family, including how to use the items in your kit. Well, folks, there you have it, your comprehensive guide to building the ultimate FEMA emergency kit. Remember, being prepared isn't about living in fear. It's about taking control and ensuring you're ready to face whatever challenges life throws your way. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on preparedness, survival, and thriving in the face of the unexpected. We'll delve into everything from first aid and wilderness survival to self-sufficiency and disaster preparedness. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the game of survival, the more you know, the better your chances of coming out on top. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and keep exploring the wild unknown.